Hey guys, this is EYL AO2 Alarms, and this is going to be system test 46, I think. So let's get started. Anyway, there's some changes on the system. Not a whole lot. Here's the panel right here. The same. We got this key switch right here. This is for the attic heat detector, so we'll see that in just a second. We got the Cosmod for every now operating, because I had the i4 up in the back room, so you get to see that. We got a system tester 24 smoke detector. We have a system tester MH Johnny mini horn. It's going to be coded by the panel. The system tester SCWL. We still have the Notifier local alarm version BNG1. The WeLock RS for Restroom. New, we have the WeLock Alexa ELSTR, which I think is set to I don't know if you can see it, but it's set to, I don't know what the Candela say on this is, but forgot. The same heat detector as always. We got Edwards 278B1120. We have the Notifier MBG12L, or not Sater. We have on the right, we have a WeLock MIZ 24S-R. On the left, we have a WeLock Exceeder LED 3 next to it. So this system will be containing mini horns. Right here, here's the i4, which gets the Cosmod 4W. This did display a CO warning, trouble. So I fixed that, placed it with a new CO sensor in it. So yeah, now it's flashing normal now. So yeah, that's right. We got a heat detector in the attic. It's a little warm in here, but this is a system tester 5602 194 rated rise fixed heat detector in the attic. So yeah. Oh, it's just because it's very warm. Alright. We'll do that heat detector last. Anyway. We get started with the Notifier NBG12L, I think, yeah. I'll find a Notifier key for it. There we go. So, here we go. That sounds like a smoke alarm. Let me shut that up. So set the code 3. So there it is. We're at auto silence. You can kind of see that. Here's the Alexa. And how about we realarm with the 278B? backroom pull station, and 2-wire heat detector and pull. It's actually the pull, because we just pulled it. So let me go ahead and reset that pull station right now. Okay. And we'll reset from the annunciator. All right. Let's try the 2424. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So we'll close this panel, close it here. And let's test out 2424. And it's reporting through Protostar. See FXS2 is on. Silence that. Kind of see that. And there it goes. It's finished recording. So there it is. I'm not going to use smoke tester today. I don't want to waste it, so gonna reset. Okay. Now we're going to test the i4. The CL portion is set to the security system. So that'll be on the Vista 20p test. Or we're just going to do the fire portion here. That also sounds too, but doesn't be quiet when the alarms are silenced. There's the alarm on the Cosmod. There's that. And this i4 doesn't be quiet until you reset it. There's that. There's that. All right, we're going to reset here. Okay, so while that's resetting, we'll go ahead and we'll activate our heat detector in the restroom. All right, we're going to test the heat detector now in the restroom. So here we go. Very fast. I'll silence that. Very fast. There's the strobe. There's the Alexa. There's that. And this. Flashes very fast. That's for the alarm with the BNG1 the BNG1 local alarm version. Silence that. So I redid the key. See, I redid the everything here. Tested the new switch and the key lock. So, because when I got it, I wasn't actually a makeshift key lock. So, yeah. So it's working now. All right. We'll reset from the panel. All right. Now we're going to test the heat detector in the attic. Here we go. Ow. There we go. There's the alarm. As you just all reset, you can see that. Alarm LED was on before. Silence that. So you can see the alarm LED on the Simplex key station was on before. Well, has reset, so that's why I had to run over here to show you that. Because that resets pretty quickly. Anyway. Ow. So there is the heat detector in the attic. So there it is. Alright. So there it is. You can see heat detector in the attic. And we'll go ahead and reset it from the panel. And how you get that, and saying now your question, how do you get that to work? Like how you got it to work where you don't have to run any wires or anything like that? Well, you see this box right here? That's the box for it. There's a relay in there that actually switches on the zone wires. It switches the alarm wires from the panel to make a contact. And this wire, I have to use the existing wire that's in my house. There, you can kind of see it there. That's not being used. So that wire is going to my Windows room. It's not being used. So that's why I used it. So, yeah. So there it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So that's how I did it. That's how I actually got this thing to work. So, anyway. So there it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.